Hi, and welcome to another tutorial by Terrarium and Crafts. I am going to show you a great way to recycle foam or sponge by making a squishy. If you want to know what a squishy is, as well as a list of what I used and where to get them, click on my website. I have chosen to make a watermelon slice, but you can make whatever squishy you like. Begin by outlining your shape onto the foam with a marker. Next, use some sharp scissors to cut your shape out. Cut and smooth the edges as best as you can. Using puffy paint, select the colour that you want and start painting. I'm now adding detail, like the seeds and face, using puffy paint. I used a dotting tool to help, but you can use a toothpick. Again, using puffy paint, I'm just adding more detail in the eyes. I'm just adding some blush using some light pink puffy paint. To finalise, I'm just adding the bottom detail of the watermelon slice. After waiting a few hours to dry, my squishy is ready to be squished. I hope you've enjoyed this fun tutorial and have a go at making one yourself. I absolutely love hearing from you, so please comment down below and don't forget to like and share my video. Bye!